In today's video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com workflow tutorial. So on how to set up a workflow on Monday.com to 5 minutes. Let's build a simple, reliable workflow from start to finish. First, sign into Monday.com and open the board you want to automate. Pick the board where your items live because the workflow you create will act on this specific board. At the top of the board, open the Autopilot Hub. This is Monday.com's home base for automation. Inside the hub, choose Workflows to see all existing automations tied to this board. Select Add Workflow to start fresh. Give your workflow a clear descriptive name so teammates instantly understand what it does, then click Create. A good name helps later when you have multiple automations running. Next, choose a trigger. The trigger is what starts everything. Common options include when an item is created or when a status changes. If you choose a status-based trigger, make sure you point to the correct status column and the specific value you care about, like moving from in progress to done. The more precise your trigger, the fewer unintended runs you'll get. After the trigger, add actions and conditions. Actions are what you want to happen automatically, such as assigning an owner, updating a status, setting a due date, moving an item to a group, or sending a notification. Conditions help you target those actions. For example, only running when a priority equals high or when a date is before today. Stack multiple actions to create a tidy chain and use conditions to keep things focused. Order matters, so arrange actions in the sequence that makes the most sense. When you're satisfied, complete the setup by reviewing the summary. Double check the trigger, the selected columns, and any condition logic. Confirm it applies to the right board and won't conflict with other automations. Small adjustments here can prevent noisy notifications or duplicate updates. Finally, publish the workflow using the button in the top right. Publishing turns it on immediately. If you need to update it later, just return to the workflows area, open the same workflow, and edit without starting from scratch. That's the full setup. You log in, open your board, head to the Autopilot Hub, create a workflow, pick a precise trigger, add focused actions and conditions, review the details, and publish. With a few thoughtful choices up front, your team saves time and keeps processes consistent every single day.